So, someone threw away this TV and left it on the side of the road, and I thought, okay, this is the perfect project right here because it's super light. As you can see, look at this, super light. And then if you flip it around, they cut the electrical cord, so I don't know if it works or not. Okay, I have plugged in the power. I haven't switched it on yet. Let me press this on off button. Okay, nothing bad has happened. I'm going to... Oh, it actually switched on. Do you see the label? So, after a bit of research, I discovered that this TV might have a backlight problem, which is the reason there is no image on the screen. But basically, it did display the label, but as you can see, the label was super dim, which means that the LEDs in that area might still be working, but the rest of them are not. So if you take a flashlight and you shine the TV at an angle, it actually is displaying an image, which means the TV is actually working. So basically, I have to replace those rear LEDs in order for the TV to be functional again. It looks like after I took the TV apart, it looks like the backlights, they don't work. Or maybe some of them, they do work, but... So I'm planning to just replace it with an LED strip to see if it will work. Okay, I have installed an LED strip. As you can see, the LED strip is working. So the sad part is I accidentally cracked the TV, but anyway, I was trying to fix it to get it running, not to use it. So as you can see right here, these are the wires for the LED strip. Boom. TV is actually working. As you can see, this is where it was cracked, but other than that, it actually works. That's pretty cool. Battery is connected. TV is working. Pretty cool. And as you can see, it's the same brand name, same TV, just cracked. Why did I crack it? Why? Anyway, it works. It works. Just to prove that I installed the LED strip and this is the same TV, I'm going to switch off the TV like this. Wait. Man, oh, that's the battery, the problem. Right, battery is still connected. I'm switching off the TV. TV is off. And as you can see, this is the battery right here. If I pull it, it should switch off. Boom. As you can see, it was the battery. So that was the backlight right here. Now, some of you would be like, you destroyed such a good TV. Someone threw it away. They cut the electrical cord. The TV wasn't working. And the reason I got it was I wanted to harvest the speakers. So that's why I took the TV. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video. And maybe the thing about it is I was planning to use a TV for my next project, but it had to be a DC TV, not an AC. I can't use an AC TV. I don't have any uses for an AC TV. Okay, the speakers have been harvested. Okay, now time to use them for the new project.